This is a tornado watch. The Storm Prediction Center has issued a tornado watch for portions of deep South Texas and the adjacent coastal waters, effective this Tuesday night from 6:40 until midnight. The tornado watch area is approximately along and 30 statute miles east and west of a line from 5 miles north-northwest of Corpus Christi, Texas, to 85 miles south of Corpus Christi, Texas. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for tornadoes and severe thunderstorms in and around the watch area. People in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. In our area, the tornado watch includes the following counties: in deep South Texas, Brooks, Kennedy, and Willacy. And for the marine area, Laguna Madre from the Arroyo, Colorado to 5 miles north of Port Mansfield, Texas. Laguna Madre from 5 miles north of Port Mansfield to Baffin Bay. And the coastal waters from Baffin Bay to Port Mansfield and out to 20 nautical miles. Once again, a Storm Prediction Center has issued a tornado watch for portions of deep South Texas and the adjacent coastal waters until midnight tonight.